Werner Enterprises Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They think trucking companies are just about moving freight from point A to B. But Werner Enterprises is a full-service logistics provider with a strong reputation for safety, efficiency, and employee support. Werner Enterprises operates across North America, offering long-haul, regional, and dedicated freight services. One standout feature is their focus on safety. The company consistently invests in driver training, fleet maintenance, and technology to minimize accidents and ensure timely deliveries. This focus on safety has earned them recognition in the industry and a strong client base. Most people assume working with large logistics companies is impersonal. The surprising truth is Werner emphasizes customer service and transparency. Clients can track shipments in real time, communicate with dedicated account managers, and benefit from customized logistics solutions based on volume, industry, and delivery requirements. Another advantage is their technology. Werner uses advanced fleet management systems that optimize routes, monitor fuel consumption, and predict maintenance needs. For businesses shipping high volumes, this can save money and improve efficiency. For drivers, it provides a structured environment with access to benefits, training programs, and career growth opportunities. However, there are some considerations. Pricing may be higher than smaller carriers for low-volume shipments, and availability depends on your location and the type of freight. Additionally, like any large logistics company, response times can vary depending on demand and regional operations. In conclusion, Werner Enterprises is ideal for businesses looking for reliable, safe, and technologically advanced freight solutions. Their strong safety record, customer-focused service, and extensive network make them a trusted choice in the logistics industry. Subscribe for more honest transportation and logistics service reviews before choosing your next freight partner.